Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn short vowel words. Now see children how to blend two letter words with the sound of a. B, a, ba, p, a, ka, d, a, da, a, fa, b, a, ga, ha, a, ha, d, a, da, p, a, ka, l, a, la, m, a, ma, n, a, na, p, a, pa, qua, a, qua, r, a, ra, s, a, sa, t, a, ta, v, a, va, va, a, va, s, a, sa, ya, a, ya, z, a, za, b, a, ba, t, bat, k, a, ta, t, cat, a, fa, fan, d, a, da, dam, h, a, hat, t, hat, j, a, ja, jam, a, ma, t, mat, a, na, p, nap, p, a, ta, pan, r, a, ra, t, rat, s, a, sa, d, sad, t, a, ta, t, tap, b, a, va, van, y, a, ya, yam. Okay children, thank you. Bye bye.